Are you seeing errors created by the Shscrap Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. Avoid long manual edits for Shscrap Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Shscrap Library, the shell scrap object library. This legacy unmanaged module manages .shs files, which contain scraps of data dragged from OLE-enabled documents. It facilitates the visual manifest rendering of these objects within the shell. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. When a core file like Shscrap Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Shscrap library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Shscrap Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Shscrap Library and system libraries. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Shscrap Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.